We'll be back with another video going over the folding AR grip. You can see here I have, well, this is a Apple AirTag for you to keep track of your firearm in case someone was to steal it. Fits in the bottom of the MOE grip. Now I already have the set screw on the inside of this already removed for the factory grip. Now the tools we're going to go over that need to be placed on this when you're assembling this folding grip is you're going to have to put this top part of the folding grip in first, because you're going to have to put this screw through the top here to bolt it in. All right. The tools that you're going to need to purchase is going to be this right here. This is a 1/4 by 28 by 3/4 length thread Allen key screw. And then you're going to need a binding screw, which is an 8 by 32, or excuse me, 8/32 by 5/8. And it comes with this, with the screw and the binder that slides all the way through on the folding grip to allow it to swivel back and forth. So you're going to need those in order to complete this whole process. So you're going to have to make sure you have everything in place. Your normal selector screw, spring that's in there, it's going to fit right in its pocket here on the top. So let me go ahead and set this in. All right, now that that's in, let me go ahead and put the set screw in so that it holds in place. Bear with me 1 second. All right, I took care of that, put it in. Now the reason I told you to purchase this screw is because if you have this actual screw that's for the Magpul MOE grip, it is too bulky and it's going to sit too far out here where this part that swivels is not going to be able to close. You're just going to have a part that's going to be sticking out like this, and you're not going to be able to close it all the way. So you have to buy that screw to replace this one in order for that to work. Just want to make sure you guys are aware of that. The other thing is, on the bottom part, you're going to put a spring in here, and I have the actual size of the spring in the instructions that tells you about the set screw and the spring that you're going to need to put in here in order to make sure this piece here swivels back and forth when you're going to unlock it, and if you're going to be placing this into your bag so it holds like this. Then when you bring it back down, it'll clip back in place. And here, I'll do that 1 second to get this installed. I'm going to go ahead and put the binder screw through the center here to hold it in place. All right, as you can see, once you get your binder screw in, you have the nice swivel, and you'll see that once I close this here in a second, it'll be a nice clean flush feel. That screw is not hitting on anything on the inside, so that won't be an issue. Show you on the other side how it looks. All right, let's go ahead and close it up. So it's closed. As you can see, pretty nice grip. And you have the little dovetail on the bottom. So if you have gloves on, this won't affect your grip. As you can see, this thing is on there pretty nice and tight. And then you have to hold my hand here to pop it in. And you have it swivel back out. Now this is for you to put it in your backpack, put it away. You don't have this protruding straight up to where it would be an issue putting it in the bag. You can conceal it and pop it back out when you need to have it ready to go. So this is the complete setup on that AR folding grip. Did the video for those that kept asking me how to assemble it, how does it look on the rifle, and as you can see, just showed you right here in the video how it looks. All right, you guys got any questions, please shoot them in the email or shoot them in the comments or DMs, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.